Are you looking for the best Micro ATX cases? Micro ATX cases sit at a critical intersection of space efficiency, cooling potential, and price. For many builders, a compact chassis must accommodate high-performance GPUs, adequate CPU cooling, and tidy cable management without breaking the bank. This comparison analyzes 5 Micro ATX/MA.
Product number 1, Cooler Master Masterbox Overview. The Q300L remains a go-to budget Micro ATX chassis that prioritizes open airflow and modular I/O placement. Its magnetic dust filter and edge-to-edge transparent panel deliver a distinctive look while preserving accessible maintenance. With support for up to a 360mm GPU, a 159mm CPU cooler height, and a 160mm PSU, the design aims to maximize compatibility without sacrificing footprint. The perforated, all-sides open airflow philosophy emphasizes cooling potential, and the adjustable I/O panel can be repositioned to front, top, or bottom per side, enabling flexible build ergonomics for tight desks or open layouts alike. Prospective buyers get a practical, no-fuss installation experience at a compelling price point with room for a 240mm AIO liquid cooler if desired, and a stylish, modern exterior thanks to the clear side panel and magnetic filter motif. Performance-wise, the Q300L emphasizes airflow over sound isolation, so expect noticeable fan noise under load if you push GPUs near the 360mm limit or use high-heat CPUs. The internal clearance supports most Micro ATX and Mini ITX builds, but long PCIe risers or very tall air coolers will constrain customization. The open frame feel aids cooling but can challenge cable management unless you invest time routing behind the motherboard tray. Product number 2, NZXT H3 Flow Micro ATX PC. Overview: the NZXT H3 Flow aims to balance compact size with high airflow capability. It uses ultra-fine steel mesh panels and a PSU shroud to maximize dust filtration and provide a clear path for airflow. The chassis supports a 280mm front radiator and a 240mm top radiator, accepts up to 7 fans, and ships with a pre-installed 120mm rear F120Q exhaust, which should yield strong cooling margins for Micro ATX builds with mid to high-end GPUs. The GPU clearance remains generous, up to 377mm without front fans, which makes it a solid choice for modern GPUs while preserving space for front-mounted radiators. In daily use, the H3 Flow feels cohesive for builders who want a straightforward assembly with robust cooling rates. The ready-to-go rear exhaust and flexible radiator options help tailor acoustics and thermals, though the front intake area may be more sensitive to dense filters or front fan configurations for whisper-quiet builds. Mounting paths for GPUs and the use of a bottom-mounted PSU simplify cable routing, but the compact depth requires careful cable planning if you plan to run thick power cables or bulky AIO tubing. Overall, product number 3, Lian Li A3 matx WD 26.3L Micro ATX Overview. The A3 matx WD stands out with a wood front panel and modular design that invites customization. This micro form factor chassis supports matx and ITX motherboards, allows a wide GPU length, 415mm, and can accommodate up to a 360mm radiator with fan configurations. The case executes a balance between aesthetics and performance by providing steel mesh panels and a modular design that can accept different power supplies, including sideways mounted options from Lian Li's ecosystem. The WD variant emphasizes premium feel and expandability, including a wood accent that differentiates it in a crowded market. In practice, the WD's modular approach shines for enthusiasts who want to experiment with custom cooling loops, large radiators, and flexible PSU mounting. The option to mount power supplies sideways or frontways adds mounting versatility, which can simplify cable routing and improve clearance for longer GPUs. However, the premium materials and build quality come with a price premium and potentially more complex assembly for those used to standard metal front panels. If you value aesthetics and modularity over a plug-in.
Product number 4, Cooler Master Q300L V2 Micro Overview.
The Q300L V2 is a refresh of the original Q300L, adding tempered glass, USB 3.2, Gen 2x2, and the same spacious interior with full airflow. The V2 retains the massive GPU clearance, 360mm, and CPU cooler height limit of 159mm, making it compatible with many high-performance components in a compact form factor. The tempered glass panel provides a premium look, while the magnetic dust filter keeps upkeep manageable. The case emphasizes a balance of price, airflow, and expandability within the Micro ATX footprint. From a usability perspective, the V2 keeps the straightforward installation workflow: bottom PSU mount, 28mm behind the trade cable routing, and a design that supports 240mm liquid coolers. The open perforated design across front, top, and bottom improves thermals for gaming rigs, though it shares the trade-off of potential noise under sustained loads. Given its price and feature set, the Q300L V2 is a sensible choice for budget-conscious builders who still want glass and modern I/O without sacrificing room for a capable GPU or AI.
Product number 5. Thermaltake View 170 TG ARGB. Overview. The Thermaltake View 170 TG ARGB targets buyers who want vibrant aesthetics and included cooling. With three 120mm ARGB fans, a front-top radiator compatibility up to 280mm, and dual tempered glass front and side, this case emphasizes visibility and lighting as a core selling point. It also provides practical Micro ATX support with a 340mm maximum GPU length claim and a standard ARGB control scheme that complements mid-range builds without additional controller hardware. The overall design leans toward a high visual impact build without sacrificing essential airflow paths. In daily use, the View 170 TG ARGB presents an attractive plug-and-play option for enthusiasts who want immediate aesthetic impact with synchronized lighting. The three ARGB fans help maintain attractive thermals, though acoustics may be louder than passive cooling builds due to the included fans and glass panels. Maintenance and cleaning of the tempered glass panels are straightforward, but the glass increases the risk of